In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Photos to an SD card on Android. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Google Photos is mainly a cloud-based service. That means your pictures and videos may be stored online, not directly on your phone. Because of that, you can't move them straight from Google Photos to your SD card in one step. First, you need to download the files to your device and then move them to the SD card using your phone's file manager. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your Android device. Find the photo or video you want to transfer and tap on it to open it. Once it's open, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Download. If you don't see the download option, that usually means the photo is already saved on your phone's internal storage, so you can move on to the next part. This is a helpful thing to know because it saves you from downloading the same file again. After your photo or video has been downloaded to your device, the next step is to move it to the SD card. To do that, open your phone's File Manager app. This might be Files by Google, Samsung My Files, or another file app that came with your device. Inside the File Manager, go to Internal Storage and look for the Downloads folder. In some cases, especially for camera images, you may need to check the DCIM folder instead. Once you find the files, press and hold the first photo to select it, then tap any other photos or videos you want to move as well. Next, tap the three-dot menu, which is usually in the top right or bottom right corner, depending on your phone. Choose Move To or Copy To. If you want to free up space on your internal storage, Move To is usually the better choice. If you want to keep a second copy on your phone, choose Copy To instead. Now select your SD card as the destination. If you want to stay organized, you can create a new folder on the SD card, such as a Photos folder, using the New Folder or Plus option if your file manager shows it. Then simply tap Move Here or Copy Here to finish the transfer. Once the process is complete, your Google Photos files will now be stored on your SD card. Just make sure the transfer finishes before removing the card or closing the app. And that's it. A simple way to move your photos and videos from Google Photos to your SD card on Android.